If you are a mold or die designer, the CAD software you are using will probably include an extensive catalog library from various vendors. It will also allow you to create your own custom catalogs. However, to shorten design time, you should make sure your CAD software enables simple adding and positioning of catalog parts, performs an automatic cut on the relevant components, and creates threads and color attributes automatically. In other words, you want a system that has been designed specifically for tooling. In the following example, we'll see how CimatronE meets your catalog tooling needs. In this mold, we are going to add screws to connect these two plates. CimatronE offers you an extensive set of catalogs from all the manufacturers you need. A catalog preview is shown with its dimensions when you select it. All the dimensions are presented and can be filtered using a drop-down menu to enable a quick and simple adding of the screws. You can also search for a specific catalog part dimension. In this case, the specified diameter does not exist and is marked in red. However, if needed, CimatronE can create this catalog part with its non-standard diameter. 6 screws are placed on the clamping plate just by indicating their position using CimatronE's dedicated sketch tools without needing to define relations. You don't need to be concerned about creating the holes in the plates. CimatronE automatically cuts both plates. The upper plate has an oversized relief hole for the screws' heads and shanks. The size of the hole in the lower plate is exactly according to the screw thread standard, including the extra depth defined in what is needed for an optimal thread, and is deeper than the screw to allow safe tapping. CimatronE also enables an easy change of your catalog part selection. You can make any change of the catalog type or, as in this case, a change in the selected part's geometry. The change of the cut made by these modified screws is automatically updated when changing the screw's geometry. Next, you decide you want to add ejectors to your mold design in these areas. As you can see, the ejectors should have different lengths. In CimatronE, this is not a problem. CimatronE analyzes for you the required length for each ejector and selects the most suitable part from the chosen catalog. It automatically selects the correct face of the ejector plate for the ejectors to be placed on, and you will only be left with positioning the ejectors. CimatronE also enables you to create your own customized catalogs for a single part or for an assembly. In this case, you want to create a catalog for this part. In the process of creating the catalog, you can define any of the part's dimensions to be presented in the catalog. Add your pictures and save the catalog in your desired destination. The user-defined catalog is presented and handled in the same manner as any of the custom catalogs, so you can proceed with your design without any hold-ups. You can also add user-defined assembly catalogs, as in this case. In this case, in addition to the threads, red color attribute that was defined by the user is automatically transferred to the hole created by the screws for later NC programming. CimatronE Design for Tooling approach enables simple adding and positioning of catalog parts, performs an automatic cut on the relevant components, and creates threads and color attributes automatically.